What's up everyone, it's race day. This weekend we've got a double header. We've got Laang and Hamilton. Two great tracks. Laang's an excellent little boring. One of my favourite tracks, always fast around there. Never actually finished a race meeting there though, so hopefully we can turn our bad luck there around. So the final last night, we missed the setup. Missed the setup pretty bad. Car was way too loose. We started 5th and came 7th in the end, which is still not bad, but nowhere near as good as it should have been. So, you ready to go?
Yeah.
So heading to work this morning. Rob crashed his car last night, so go and see how he's going putting it back together. Give him a hand. We're going to change the gear ratio in mine before we run Hamilton. We might even just do that at the track. car's pretty clean. I don't need to clean it or anything, so we'll see how we go.